Over the last 10 years, I've spent thousands of hours in a gym, but I just found out that 50 seconds of this exercise equals 50 minutes of running.
And if I had known this before, along with the 6 other techniques I'm about to show you,
you can achieve an amazing physique in a matter of seconds. Number 1, this 60-second workout is as effective as 45 minutes of running. 60-second bounce of intense training 3 to 8 times a day is as effective as 45 minutes of jogging. This is called exercise snacking. Look, don't just take my word for it. This was proven in a study that exercise snacking can help improve your cardiovascular system and help you burn fat faster than regular workout routine. During this study, one group of participants participated in 10 minutes of exercise snacking 3 times a week, where it included 20-second all-out sprints with 2-minute rest in between. They then compared that to another group of participants that did 50 minutes of continuous exercise 3 times a week as well. After 12 weeks of training, both groups improved their fitness and their cardio to the same level, which means that exercise snacking can help you become as fit in a fifth of the time. So here's how I want you to implement exercise snacking. First, go outdoors. And I want you to take 10 minutes out of your day every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And just like the study, I want you to do 20-second sprints, all out effort, and then rest 2 minutes in between. You're gonna do that 4 times. You'll be done in 10 minutes and achieve the same results as if you would have gone out for a 50-minute run. And as soon as you get home, I want you to start supplementing with something called NAD. NAD is a coenzyme molecule which is involved in important biological processes like the transport of high energy to produce more ATP. This is the source of your muscle strength. This one that I take is from a company called Ginfinity. I started taking NAD when I noticed I was always fatigued or had extreme muscle soreness. So I did an at-home test. Bro, my results came back below average. Most people don't even understand what their levels are. But this video is gonna get a whole lot better because during my research, I found 5 other ways to maximize your results in the shortest amount of time possible. Number 2, get physically stronger while playing video games. Look, there's nothing wrong with playing a video game to relax. The real issue with video games is that it leads to long time sitting down, which can then lead to weight gain. That's what we're trying to avoid. So I'm gonna show you how to enjoy video games while also removing the negative impact so you can build a great physique. You're gonna do this with squats. Now the reason I'm saying squats is because remember exercise snacking? Well, I looked into another study, and what that study found on exercise snacking is that multi-joint lower body movements, which push away from the ground, were more effective than single joint upper body exercises like a curl, for example, when it came to 60-second bounce of high intensity. So the method is simple. I want you to exchange 60 minutes of game time with 60 seconds of high intensity squats. So to put it into perspective, if you're gonna play for 6 hours on a Saturday, every hour you play, you should pause the game and do 60 seconds of as many squats as you possibly can. By the end of the day, you would have done 6 rounds of 60-second bounce, which we know are insanely effective. Now here's where it gets fun. You can gamify it. Let's say you're not on your A game when you're playing. You're losing a lot. Every time you lose, you should add another 10 seconds to each bout. And the cool part is you can do this with any relaxation technique, whether that's watching Netflix or reading a book. Number 3, get 6-pack abs with 60 seconds of nature. Now yes, to get abs, you need to have less fat on your body. And eating less calories is the best way to do it. But you can speed up the process by lowering the amount of stress. And science has found that the more stress that you have, the more fat you carry on your body. They proved this in a study. They took a group of participants and found that those who walked in nature for 60 seconds had lower levels of stress compared to those who ran on a treadmill inside a building for 15 minutes. So my recommendation is simple. I want you to start incorporating at least a 1-minute walk 3 times a week to lower your stress levels and the brown fat storage in your body and reveal your abs faster. And you can get maximum effect by compounding this with the sprints that I showed you earlier to maximize your results. And like I told you earlier in the video, taking NAD can also maximize your results because it's been proven to help with your metabolic function and manage stress. I started taking NAD over a month ago and my energy is through the roof. And even better than that, I'm looking leaner than ever. This is because NAD helps the body restore its own cells, making it more resilient to stress and therefore, like I just told you, allows your body to hold less fat. Number 4, build muscle by training for only 15 minutes. You see, most guys want to build muscle. However, they don't want to spend hours in the gym every single day. So I'm going to show you how to get stronger with just 15 minutes. You see, your physical strength has a big impact on how successful you are going to be with women. It's been proven that women see physical strength as a sign of genetic quality, which means the stronger you are, the more attractive you'll be to them. All right. That was literally just one set. That's all I need you to do. Because in a recent study, they took 3 groups of participants. One group did 5 sets of the exercise. Group 2 did 3 sets of the exercise. And group 3 did 1 set of the exercise, like I just did with bicep curls. Here's where it gets interesting. After weeks of training, they then tested the 1 rep max in the bench and the squat, and also measured the size of their muscles. They all grew stronger and bigger, which means just doing 1 set of each major muscle group is more than enough for you to start seeing some size and strength. You don't need hours. So to get physically stronger in 15 minutes a day, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna lift 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Then, during your weightlifting session, you will just do 1 set of maximum reps for each exercise, trying to target at least 1 exercise per muscle group. So I suggest you start with bicep curl, then military press, pull-ups, back squat, machine leg press, and flat barbell bench press. Make sure you push yourself to failure every set, and you will grow stronger in every major muscle group, making you more attractive to women with only 15 minutes a day. And this is one of those other reasons why NAD is so important, because a recent study found that it is not only crucial but necessary in maintaining and growing muscle mass. And this is where it gets crazy. Remember I told you I did my blood work? Well, I just did it again after taking Ginfinity for 30 days. Look at the before and after. That's insane. My NAD levels are above average after just 1 month of this, which is why my energy's through the roof, why I feel so shredded, and I want you guys to feel the same way. If you guys want to check out Ginfinity and maximize your results, they're going to be linked down below with a special limited time offer to make it as affordable as possible. Now, up until now, I gave you a 60-second routine to improve your cardio. I made you physically stronger while you play video games. I showed you how to get a 6-pack by just walking in nature. I gave you a 15-minute muscle building routine that you can use at the gym, and even showed you the power of supplementing with NAD. But I'm not done yet. I got 2 more ways you can maximize your results with a little bit of time. 5, increase the size of your arms with just 3 seconds. You heard me right, and you can do it from your room, your office, it doesn't matter. In a small study, researchers divided 39 college students into 3 groups. The first group performed a 3-second eccentric bicep curl, which involves you lowering the weight. The second group performed a 3-second isometric, which involves holding the weight at a 90-degree angle. And the third group performed a 3-second concentric curl, which involves raising the weight up. They then trained 5 days a week for only 4 weeks. By the end of the study, the group that performed the eccentric movement, which was lowering the weight down for 3 seconds, grew their muscle size by 12%. That's significant, which means you could be at your office doing 3-second eccentric curls. You could do more than 1 if you'd like. And within 3 seconds, over 4 weeks, technically, you should see at least 12% in size gain. Number 6, I'm gonna show you how to walk 3 miles without leaving your home. I know, it sounds impossible, too good to be true. But you're gonna do this with something called exercise conversion. Exercise conversion is when you match the exact calories burned of a specific activity to that of walking a mile. So to make it super simple to you, I'm gonna show you 3 activities you can do at home that are equivalent to walking a mile. Now, according to research, you burn around 237 calories walking a mile, meaning that if you do any of these 3, you will burn the same. For example, if you fix your house for around 30 minutes, you'll burn 237 calories. If you then go mow your lawn for 13 minutes, you'll burn around 237 calories. And if you go wash your car for 24 minutes, you'll do the same. Which means if you grab a weekend and just do your weekly chores, 30 minutes of cleaning, 13 minutes of mowing your lawn, and 24 minutes of washing your car, you just did the equivalent of walking 3 miles. And you didn't even leave your house. By using these conversions, along with everything else I told you in this video, you're gonna be able to build an amazing physique with minimal time and effort.